Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of recount text in English, part 6. B.J. Habibie. B.J. Habibie. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie, known as B.J. Habibie, was born on 25 June 1936. He was the third president of the Republic of Indonesia, 1998 to 1999. Habibie was born in Parepare, South Sulawesi Province to Alwi Abdul Jalil Habibie and R.A. Tuti Marini Puswowardojo. His father was an agriculturist from Gorontalo of Bugis descent, and his mother was a Javanese noblewoman from Yogyakarta. His parents met while studying in Bogor. When he was 14 years old, Habibie's father died. Following his father's death, Habibie continued his study in Jakarta and then, in 1955, moved to Germany. In 1960, Habibie received a degree in engineering in Germany, giving him the title Diploma Engineer. In 1962, Habibie returned to Indonesia for 3 months on sick leave. During this time, he was acquainted with Hasri Ainun, the daughter of R. Muhammad Besari. The two married on 12 May 1962, returning to Germany shortly afterwards. In May 1963, they had their first son, Ilham Akbar Habibie, and later another son, Tariq Kemal Habibie. In 1974, Suharto requested Habibie to return to Indonesia as part of Suharto's drive to develop the country. Habibie initially served as a special assistant to Ibnu Sutowo, the CEO of the state oil company Pertamina. 2 years later, in 1976, Habibie was made a chief executive officer of the new state-owned enterprise Industri Pesawat Terbang Indonesia, or IPTN. In 1978, he was appointed as Minister of Research and Technology. Habibie was elected Vice President in March 1998. On 21 May 1998, Suharto publicly announced his resignation, and Habibie was immediately sworn in as president. Habibie's government stabilized the economy in the face of the Asian financial crisis and the chaos of the last few months of Suharto's presidency. Since relinquishing the presidency, Habibie has spent more time in Germany than in Indonesia. However, he has also been active as a presidential advisor during Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono's presidency. In September 2006, he released a book called Detik-Detik Yang Menentukan, Jalan Panjang Indonesia Menuju Demokrasi, Decisive Moments, Indonesia's Long Road Towards Democracy. The book recalled the events of May 1998. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.